Are you ready to take your runs to the next level? Whether you're chasing personal records, exploring rugged trails, or just starting your fitness journey, the right running shoes can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the absolute best running shoes designed to keep you comfortable, supported, and performing at your peak. From plush cushioning to unbeatable traction and lightweight designs, we've got something for everyone. Stick around to find the perfect pair that will have you lacing up and hitting the ground running. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 9 Running Shoe. Step into the perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance with these game-changing running shoes. Designed to make every stride feel lighter, these shoes are crafted for runners who value both speed and durability. The breathable mesh upper, featuring a striking 3-color digital print, keeps your feet cool and comfortable even during the most intense runs. Durable leather overlays provide unmatched stability, locking your midfoot securely so you can focus on the road ahead without distractions. Experience soft, step-in comfort with the EVA sockliner that cradles your feet in a cushioned embrace from the moment you slip them on. The charged cushioning midsole, crafted from compression-molded foam, delivers superior responsiveness and durability, ensuring that each step feels effortless and protected. The solid rubber outsole is engineered to cover high-impact zones, offering greater durability while keeping the overall weight light. With a 10mm offset, these shoes offer the perfect balance of cushioning and flexibility, making them ideal for neutral runners who crave versatility. Whether you're hitting the pavement, the treadmill, or tackling long-distance runs, these shoes are your ultimate companion. Standard lace-up ties ensure a secure fit, while the thoughtful design guarantees miles of comfort. Don't just run, elevate your experience. Try them today, and feel the difference from your very first stride. Number 2. Brooks Women's Adrenaline GTS 23 Running Shoe. Get ready to fall in love with running all over again. These shoes are crafted to provide the perfect combination of support, comfort, and reliability, making every mile feel effortless. Whether you're chasing a new personal best or simply enjoying the rhythm of your daily jog, you'll appreciate how these shoes cater to your every need. The unique guide rail's holistic support system keeps your body aligned, reducing unnecessary movement and letting you focus on enjoying a smooth, controlled ride. Step into unparalleled comfort with the lightweight DNA Loft V2 cushioning in the midsole. This softer, lighter cushioning absorbs impact like a dream, providing a plush yet responsive feel that makes each step incredibly satisfying. The engineered air mesh upper doesn't just offer breathability. It wraps your feet in all-day comfort, while the 3D Fit print technology ensures a secure and supportive fit that feels tailor-made just for you. Built with thoughtfulness and performance in mind, these shoes are more than just a stylish companion. Recognized as a certified PDACA 5500 diabetic shoe and boasting the APMA seal of acceptance, they're trusted by experts for their high-quality design. Whether you're running your favorite route or exploring new trails, these shoes deliver proven performance, breathable comfort, and the support you need to stay unstoppable. Don't wait. Lace them up today and discover why runners can't stop raving about them. Number 3. Brooks Men's Glycerin 20 Neutral Running Shoe. Prepare to experience running like never before with shoes that redefine comfort and cushioning. If you've ever dreamed of a pillowy soft ride that feels like running on clouds, this is your perfect match. Designed for runners who crave maximum cushioning and a smooth, plush experience, these shoes deliver softness and support that make every mile feel effortless and enjoyable. The secret lies in the nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning, which offers an unbeatable combination of lightweight responsiveness and supreme softness. Every step feels cushioned to perfection without sacrificing durability, making these shoes ideal for road running, cross-training, or even just hitting the gym. The redesigned midsole and outsole provide a widened platform, ensuring incredibly smooth transitions from heel to toe. Your comfort is taken to the next level with a plush internal stretch booty that adapts to your foot, moving and expanding with your stride. The breathable engineered mesh upper not only keeps your feet cool but also offers a secure and comfortable fit to keep you focused on your run. Certified as a PDACA 5500 diabetic shoe and holding the APMA seal of acceptance, these shoes combine cutting-edge design with proven reliability. Whether you're chasing personal records or enjoying leisurely runs, these shoes are built to keep you going. Don't just run, elevate your experience. Try them today and discover the ultimate in cushioning and comfort. Number 4. Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 10 Running Shoe. Unleash your potential with shoes that are built to make every stride feel faster, lighter, and more comfortable. Whether you're chasing a personal best or simply enjoying the rhythm of your daily run, these shoes are designed to give you the perfect combination of comfort, durability, and responsiveness. From the moment you step into them, you'll notice how effortlessly they adapt to your feet and running style. The lightweight, breathable mesh upper is a game changer, keeping your feet cool while synthetic overlays add extra durability and support where you need it most. Step-in comfort is guaranteed with the EVA Sockliner, which cradles your feet in softness from the very first stride. The charged cushioning midsole, crafted with compression-molded foam, provides ultimate responsiveness and durability, delivering a springy feel that absorbs impact and keeps you moving smoothly mile after mile. Durability meets functionality with the solid rubber outsole, strategically designed to cover high-impact zones for long-lasting wear without adding unnecessary weight. A 10mm offset and versatile design make these shoes a great choice for runners who need flexibility and cushioning to tackle both short sprints and long-distance runs. Whether you're hitting the road, trail, or treadmill, these shoes have what it takes to keep up with your ambitions. Don't settle for ordinary. Take your running to the next level with shoes that are built to perform and designed to last. Number 5. New Balance Men's 410 V8 Trail Running Shoe. Get ready to take your adventures to new heights with shoes designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or hitting the pavement, these trail running shoes offer the perfect combination of durability, comfort, and versatility to expand your running horizons. With a design built for both on and off-road terrains, they're ready for whatever the day brings. The standout at tread outsole delivers exceptional traction, giving you confidence on uneven trails and smooth surfaces alike. Underfoot, the soft biofoam midsole ensures superior cushioning for a comfortable ride, no matter how far you go. Built to last, the synthetic upper features durable overlays and breathable mesh to keep your feet cool and supported mile after mile. A secure lace-up closure adds an extra layer of dependability, ensuring the perfect fit every time you wear them. From running errands to conquering the gym or exploring nature's paths, these shoes adapt effortlessly to your lifestyle. Customers rave about their performance, praising their comfort, arch support, and breathable design. One review sums it up best: from running to lifting weights, they hold up well and look great. They breathe, so no smelly gym bag, and I'll definitely buy another pair once these wear out. Why settle for shoes that limit your adventures? Lace up a pair and enjoy the freedom to go wherever the road, or trail, takes you.